Hi, this is Needle Pointers. You found the perfect flower pot in the store only to discover it doesn't have a drainage hole. How disappointing. A drainage hole is essential to keep the plant from getting waterlogged, drowning the plant, especially if you place the flower pot outside. However, if you are able to use a drill, you can create a drainage hole. Let's get started and I'll show you how. Decide where you want to place the drainage hole. You need at least one drainage hole, which is usually placed in the center of the pot base. If it is a large pot, you may want more than one hole. Place a tile and glass bit in your power drill. If you are drilling inside, place newspaper under the flower pot to protect the work surface. Put on safety glasses or goggles to prevent dust and pieces of the pot from getting into your eyes as you drill. To begin drilling, place the drill bit perpendicularly on the base of the pot. With a firm amount of pressure, begin drilling. Then lighten up the pressure, increase the speed of the power drill, and drill the rest of the hole into the pot. Once you drill all the way through the pot, gently pull the drill bit back out. You now have a drainage hole. Have fun purchasing any flower pot that you like, and if it does not have a drainage hole, drilling one yourself. Did you like this video and find it helpful? Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. To follow us, click the link in the video or in the description section. Interested in more gardening tutorials and information? Go to our website, needlepointers.com's gardening section.